Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got my Ipsy PR for the month of December. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel as always, so welcome. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha. I absolutely love makeup. I love trying makeup products out, especially new products, new beauty products, anything new. So that's why I do makeup subscription unboxings on this channel here, because your girl loves trying new stuff. But I also do lots of makeup hauls and makeup mystery boxes on my channel. And for holiday season, I also do like advent calendar things. I'm going to film this right after this video right here. I have so much stuff I have to film. I am behind. Your girl's always booked and busy, but it's alright. I still always try to have a couple of days where I do some filming so you guys have some videos as well. So thank you everyone for their patience. And if you like things like this, if you love makeup like Aisha, then subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It'll be greatly appreciated. And as always, make sure you leave a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Alrighty, so in the Ipsy PR, they give you the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So these are the bags that I've received in my box. So it's pink vibes, which pink is my favorite color. I love pink, so very happy that the bags are pink. I never really honestly use them because I like huge, big bags that I can fit a lot of stuff in. So this is kind of tiny for what I normally carry. And then this one, I like them to be like more wider, so like I can open a bag and look at my products. So I normally give these away in my giveaways, so I'm gonna be doing a giveaway when I hit 2,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna just jump into this unboxing. Alrighty, so the first thing I got in here is it's an Orza Beauty palette. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's a plumish palette. I'm not going to open this up. This is the colors you can kind of see on the back. But I'm not going to open it just because I've gotten an Orza Beauty palette. And they're nice, but like they're small and tiny. I don't think I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to put this in the box of like my giveaways of stuff that I'm going to just give away. But this is the first thing in the bag. And PR, like you don't get to do a survey, so you don't get to say, I want this or I want that, I don't like this, I don't like that. They just send you, you know, random stuff that we can show you guys to see like what you could or could not get when you get your box. The next thing I got is the Pore Professional Hydrate Primer, like a little mini. I got a Surfer Curl Tarte Mascara as well. And I got a Terre de Mars eye contour. Oh, I just dropped it. So the eye cream is small, just like a travel size. But I mean, you only pay $12 for this, and you can't expect like beggars can't be choosers with this. So I think it's not that bad for like what you pay. So I got 3 makeup items. Is this everything in 3 makeup items? Actually, I can't really say because everything gets thrown in the box. Like you don't know what's part of the Glam bag. You don't know what's part of the Plus. But I'm going to assume these were for the Glam bag since these are travel sized. And the Plus is always full size. But let's see what else is in here. Maybe something else was supposed to be in here. So this is coming from the Glam Bag Plus now, which is supposed to be 5 full-size items. The first thing I see here, which is kind of cool, is a Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, which I don't think I have. So that's kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, I think I do have this actually. If I have this already, this is gonna go into my giveaways. I think I got this in like my Ipsy box. Not my Ipsy, my FabFitFun box. I think I got this once. That's bad when you have so much moisturizers you don't know what you have. Which is why I will say that I canceled. I was doing like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription. So that way I can still keep getting the Glam Bag X boxes to show you guys, because I do love the Glam Bag X boxes. I think that's like my favorite box out of the 3 boxes that Ipsy has. However, I just, like when I go into like my beauty room, or like I showed you guys, I keep a lot of like all of my skincare that I'm currently not using in my half a bathroom that I have in my guest bedroom. And it's just too much stuff. I have too much stuff. You would have to watch the video to see, and you guys haven't even seen my beauty room yet. Like I still have a whole bunch of skincare in there and in my master bathroom. So it's like, it's too much. It's too much. So I didn't cancel my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because I didn't like it. I canceled it because if I'm getting it anyway and I can show it to you guys, it makes no sense for me to continue to pay for it because I have too much stuff. It's becoming wasteful now. Like stuff is just spoiling and I don't even get to use it yet. I get like 3-4 different mascaras for my subscription boxes, like 3-4 different palettes, 3-4 different serums, like every single month, and it's like the stuff is becoming wasteful. I want to show you guys stuff too, but at the same time, I don't want to be wasteful. So if I'm gonna get this already, I'll just show what I got in PR as opposed to PR and what I paid for, because I don't want to be wasteful. So let me show you what else I got. Is this face mask? Yes, by the Cream Shop. It looks like I got a couple of them in here. So let's see, or is it just 2? So I got 2 face masks. These are the 2 masks that I got. Let's see what it says here. It says, baby, it's cold outside. 24 gold collagen mask for firming and moisturizing. And then I got a 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely collagen and squalene mask. So those are the 2 masks from the Cream Shop that I got. The next thing I got is these. These are roller balls, but they have crystals in them. Is this clear gloss? I did receive this, I want to say in BoxyCharm. I don't think I got this in Ipsy, or maybe I got it from Ipsy. I don't know, but I do own these already. I want to say this has like the rose quartz and this one has the amethyst. I do own them, but because I love crystals so much, I'm going to keep them as a backup stash for myself because I love these. And you can never have too much clear gloss. The next thing I got is a Verb Weightless Moisture Heat Protection Frizz Control. I guess this is like a cream for the hair to put in when you're styling your hair. So Verb's a very popular hair product. I also got some brushes from Belly and Argent. Let's see what the brushes look like. So I love that the brushes come in a sleeve. So this is what one of the brushes look like. This is the other one. So those are the 2 brushes that I got. And they feel like good quality. They feel like very good quality, very soft. So it says one is a bronze and buff brush and one is a blush and highlight brush. So I love getting brushes, so these are great. And it looks like that's everything. Oh, there's one more thing in here, is it? No, that's it. Oh no, there is one more thing, I lied. I got a Dragon Beauty liquid liner, which the only thing I got from her line is a liquid lip, but I haven't tried it yet, to be honest. Just because I have so much stuff. But I'm excited to try this out when eventually I get to open it up and use it. So So guys, that's really about it. That's all I got in my 2 subscriptions, a Glam and a Glam Bag Plus. Like I said, this was PR, so I didn't pay for it. But just because I don't pay for something doesn't mean that I would never give like my honest opinion. And overall, like I didn't get a lot of skincare stuff. The only skincare stuff I got from this was the mask, the Kate Somerville, and the eye cream. But if I don't have this, I would be excited to try this out. I think I do have this. And I love sheet masks, so I'm not mad at getting a sheet mask because wintertime's coming, so your girl's skin is going to probably be a little dry, even though I'm more on the oily side, but you can never be too overhydrated in winter. So that's everything I got. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you guys get your Ipsy Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus for the month of December yet? What are your thoughts on this? Let me know, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!